ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Welcome back, dear students. I am Yogananda, teaching class 10 mathematics. We are doing quadratic equations chapter. You have already learnt one important method called factorization method. In today's class we are going to discuss the other two methods, which are discriminant method and that is called formula method, and completing square method. So both the methods we discuss in detail, and let us cover some intermediate important examination problems too. We know that in any equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is called quadratic equation with the roots x1 and x2, where the condition is a, b, c belongs to R and a is non-zero. This is called a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, where a non-zero and a, b, c are real numbers, is called a quadratic equation with roots x1 and x2. Whenever x1 is a root, what happens? Whenever x2 is a root, what happens? There are two roots possible. Maximum number of roots for any quadratic equation is 2. Maximum 2 roots are possible. The 2 roots may be different, the 2 roots may be real and different, the 2 roots may be real and equal, the 2 roots may not exist also. Here, if they exist, let the roots be written as alpha and beta. Alpha, beta are real and different roots. If 1, a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0, a beta square plus b beta plus c equal to 0 are satisfied. What do you mean by this satisfaction or satisfied? That means whenever in place of x, if you substitute alpha, a alpha square plus b alpha plus c, which is left hand side, is 0, then the right side is 0, 0 is equal to 0 means it is satisfied. The equation is satisfied by alpha. The equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 in terms of x is satisfied by x is equal to alpha. That means what? X is equal to alpha is called a root for the quadratic equation. Similarly, a beta square plus b beta plus c equal to 0 is equal to 0. Then beta satisfies the equation, otherwise we call it as beta is equation is satisfied by beta, therefore beta is a root. This is the definition for alpha and beta to be real and different roots. If alpha and beta are real but they are not different, what do you mean by that? Alpha is equal to beta. That means what? Both the equations are the same, alpha is equal to beta. So equation may have a repeated root. So sometimes equation may have repeated root, may not have repeated root, the roots may not exist also. So all the cases will be taken in 3 different cases. So, for that we use one formula method. What is the formula method? Whenever we take b square minus 4ac, which is called discriminant, b square minus 4ac. If at all b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, or if this is equal to 0, if this is less than 0, there are 3 cases. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac greater than 0, we call it positive, is 0. Discriminant is 0, is negative. So, there are 3 different cases for the discriminant to be positive or negative or 0. If the discriminant is positive, what do you say? Real and different roots. Real and different roots. If discriminant is 0, what happens? Real and equal roots. We call it repeated roots. If negative, unreal, we say that non-real or unreal, no real roots exist. No real roots exist. So, whenever b square minus 4ac is taken and found out and observed that it is positive or 0 or negative, accordingly we write the answer, and accordingly we get 3 different cases for the equation. So, let us take one example. I will take the example like this. X square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. X square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. The example given is x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. We will take minus 5 and we will take plus 5 both and just check up. Now, I am taking minus 5. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is a? 1. What is b? 4. What is c? Minus 5. What is b square minus 4ac? What is b square minus 4ac? b square means 4 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 5, which is equal to, here I will write 16 minus 4 into minus 5 plus 4 into 5, 20, which is 36. So, is it positive or negative? This is positive. Therefore, roots are real and they are different. So, what are the roots? In this case, what are the roots? The roots formula is x1 or x2 is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. The formula for the root is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac under root by 2a. What is the value of minus b? Minus b is minus 4 plus or minus. What is b square minus 4ac? We have already simplified, 36 whole divided by, what is 2a? 2 into 1. So, this is, what is root of 36? 6. Minus 4 plus or minus 6 by 2. There are 2 cases. We take x1 is equal to minus 4 plus 6 by 2, x2 is equal to minus 4 minus 6 by 2. This is minus 4 plus 6, 2 by 2, 1 is the answer. x2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 10 by 2 minus 5 is the answer. There are 2 roots possible, one is minus 5 and the other root is 1. This is how we have to do the problem by discriminant or formula method. I will repeat the explanation once again. Whenever you are given a quadratic equation, this is the condition, the roots are alpha and beta, this is the formula. Whenever alpha is a root, a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. Whenever beta is a root, a beta square plus b beta plus c equal to 0, satisfied. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. You can find out the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac and accordingly you can go ahead. If it is positive, we say that the roots are real and different. If it is 0, we say that the roots are real and equal. It is called repeated roots. In this case, we say that the roots are repeated. If at all it is negative, we say that there is no answer for this, no real roots exist. So, this is the way you have to take the formula. If the roots are existing, what is the formula for the root? First x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is called formula. With the help of this formula you can find both the roots, whether they exist or they do not exist. If they exist, are they different or they equal? Equal means repeated, like that you can do it. So this is one problem which I have done. So let me take one more example. In this example we will verify whether the roots exist or not. So first let us take the problem here. The same problem I am just changing it. Example 2. Previously what did we write? X square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Now I am writing this as x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then what happens? Whether the roots exist or not. If they exist, are they real or not? If they do not exist, how do we know that? How to conclude that? All the three cases we can take here. Now I am writing as usual, just this is by solve it by formula method. You can do it by factorization method, you can do it by completing the square method, but this I am trying it by formula method. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is general form, am I right? General form of a quadratic equation. What is a? 1. What is b? 4. What is c? 5. What is delta, which is called discriminant? discriminant, discriminant. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. What is b square? 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. It is 16 minus 20, which is minus 4. It is a negative value. It is negative value. Therefore, what do you say? Roots do not exist. You can say real roots do not exist, or there are no roots. Even if you try by factorization method, you will not be able to solve it. Even if you go by completing square method, you will not be able to solve it. So this is the way you have to do every problem. So in the previous problem, when this was minus 5, we got it satisfied. That means what? B square minus 4ac is a positive quantity. Hence, we got the formula. Case 1 is satisfied. Accordingly, we have got the answer. Now, let us take one more example for the same. 2x square, example 3, 2x square minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the given equation. First, taking the equation, you must verify whether the real coefficients are given or not. What are the coefficients? The coefficients given are a, b, c. What are the coefficients here? A is equal to, let us write in general form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is a? 2. What is b? Minus 2 root 2. What is c? 1. A, b, c values are written. After that, directly I am finding delta, b square minus 4ac. What is b square? Minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 into a is equal to 2, c is equal to 1. Just square it. Minus 2 root 2 whole square. What is this? Minus 2 square is 4. Root 2 square is 2. 4 into 2 minus 4 into 2 8. 4 into 2 8 minus 8 0. Then what do you say? Real roots, real and equal roots.
Hello students, my name is Vishal Kumar Sharma and I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Right now I am associated with K Venkana classes, and at K Venkana classes we are bringing your IIT top Delhi faculties. I am an HOD of mathematics at K Venkana classes. Okay. Now if you are choosing MPC, then you will have a chance to be taught under top Delhi faculties. If you are choosing BPC as your subject, then you will have not only IIT faculties as well as a proper doctor teaching you. Similarly, we have if you are choosing MEC and CEC, so after second year for your CACPT exam, we have a very expert faculty specializing in CACPT. So what are you waiting for? Come and join KVC.
Equal roots. Well, how to find the roots? What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Always write the formula minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula you have to write. After writing the formula, substitute the values. What is the value of b? B is minus 2 root 2. Minus b is minus of minus 2 root 2 plus or minus root 0 divided by 2a. 2 into 2. 2 into minus 2 root 2. Sorry, it is a value. So, you must write 2 into 2. So, this is minus of minus plus 2 root 2 divided by 4. 2 gets cancelled 2 times. Here this is 1 by root 2. So, repeated roots are 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Like this we have to do it. So, whenever this kind of problem is given, you can verify it by this way. 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1. The roots are 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Let us do some more problems. Is it clear? Have you taken this? Second example, negative discriminant, no real roots. Third example, little bit difficult, root is given. After simplification, we found that discriminant is 0, therefore real roots exist. Next, find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist. I am writing 4 problems on the board, one after another. We will do 4 problems. So, fourth one, 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Next, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Next, 5x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. X square plus 5 is equal to minus 6x. So, he has given 4 problems to verify whether roots exist or not. If roots exist, what are the roots? Are they real roots or different roots? In all the cases, we have to discuss. Good. So, now we can see the board very clearly. I have written all the 4 problems. First problem is 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0, 5x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0, x square plus 5 equal to minus 6x. There are 4 problems. This is 4th one. Say for example, this is 5th question, this is 6th question, this is 7th question. All these problems are generally given not in one problem. You may be given a single problem in the examination. Solve if exist, solve for x if roots exist, like that they may give. So, let us take the first problem. It is in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 or not. So, directly I am writing it, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the value of a? Immediately write a value. From the given, we are writing what is b square minus 4ac. 1 square minus 4 into what is a? 2 into minus 4. 1 minus 4 into minus 4 plus 4 into 4, 16 into 2, 32. It is 33. So, we got b square minus 4ac. What are the roots? x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is minus b? Minus 1 plus or minus root 33 by 2 into 2, 4. So, the first root is minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. These are the answers. The roots are given by like this. Are the roots real and different? Yes. How do we know that? It is because b square minus 4ac is positive. All of you look at the board, take down the problem. I will explain this once again. It looks as if the question is little difficult, but the question is no difficult. It is not, it is easy problem. It is not given in a different way. It is a straight problem, but the thing is b square minus 4ac root is not obtained very easily. Root 33, it is less than 6, more than 5, approximately 5.5. Say for example, if it is 5.5 or 5.6, minus 1 plus 5.5 minus 4 plus 4.5 divided by 4, approximately 1.3 or 1.2 is the value. Root can be a real number. It is minus 1.22 or plus 1.22, whatever it may be. It is non-zero. It is not negative. If discriminant is negative, no roots exist. Because inside root it is 0, repeated root. If it is greater than 0, different roots. So, this is the way you have to do it, and for this working you will be given full marks, there is no doubt about that. Shall we do the next problem? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is a? 4. What is b? 4 root 3. What is c? 3. I am writing in one line, a equal to 4, b equal to 4 root 3, c equal to 3. What is b square minus 4ac? 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a, 4 into c, 3, divide, that is it. 4 square is 16, 16 into 3, 48, minus 4 into 4, minus 3, 48. Is it 0? Yes. 0 means you are lucky that the roots are going to be repeated, and very easy to find the answer. So, x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b, what is minus b? Minus 4 root 3 plus or minus b square minus 4ac under root is 0 divided by 2a, 2 into a, 4, 2 into 4, 8. So, it is minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 0 by 8. So, the roots are minus 4 root 3 by 8, 4 gets cancelled here 2 times, minus root 3 by 2, and same repeated. Both the cases the roots are repeated. Repeated roots, minus root 3 by 2, minus root 3 by 2. All of you take down this, look at this and try to take this problem. Let us now take the next problem, 5x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. All of you copy down the second problem. What are the roots? Repeated roots. What are the repeated roots? Minus root 3 by 2, minus root 3 by 2. Now let us take the third problem. What is the third problem? 5x square minus 7x minus 6. I am writing directly, a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to minus 6. What is b square minus 4ac? b is 7, minus 7 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 5 into minus 6. What is minus 7 whole square? 49. Minus into minus plus, 4 into 5, 20 into 6, 120. It is 169. Is it 13 square? Yes.